So I'm Alison Foster and I'm Senior Curator for the Botanic Garden and Harcourt Arboretum, and together the Garden and Arboretum make up a department of the University of Oxford. And my role is multifaceted, but the main components are that I organise the whole adult education programme for the Garden and Arboretum, and also that I'm organising and developing a research portfolio for the Garden and Arboretum. I originally trained as a chemist and did an undergraduate chemistry degree here in Oxford, and then went and worked for Glaxo Wellcome as a medicinal chemist for a couple of years. I then went and did a PhD in Cambridge in synthetic organic chemistry and moved back to the pharmaceutical industry. After about 6 years of that, I decided that working in a lab was not for me forevermore. And my passion for plants really had begun to get the better of me. I spent all of my weekends and evenings working in my garden and thought, how can I develop that into a career? So when I first left the pharmaceutical industry, I had absolutely no intention of doing chemistry anymore. And I was very happy for a year or two learning all about plants. And now what I've realised is actually I can use plants to engage with people about chemistry. So my job today is quite different to the job I had when I was a scientist. I don't work in a laboratory, and I do miss that atmosphere of working alongside other people, all kind of bustling away, doing the same thing with the radio going. But actually I get to work in a really beautiful environment at the Botanic Garden and Arboretum. And I get to work with scientists in that environment to talk to them about their research, how their research links to plants, and then I get to explain all of that to the general public. So I think there are aspects that I miss, but there are aspects that I've gained that I just wouldn't have had if I was still working in a laboratory.